Lariani Maneva, I done a water. I'm your man, your mama. I done a water. On the Lariani Maneva, I done a water. I'm your man, your mama. I done a water. But when I'm your million, we have done. I'm a non-yamina winner. Yes, a bird. What you know, I fool. When my piano man on a phone. I went back now a phone. I go west in your bird. You never will. I was sir. Where you got all a holy. I want you me. I'm my. And now I'm not your girl. I are you. So my big got down. I'm going to put up my foot. I'm every lady in my neighborhood. I don't know. I don't want that you come on. I don't know. I'm every lady in my neighborhood. I don't know. I don't want that you come on. I don't know. Good evening, everybody. My wounded civilian family, the good people of Edo State. Your brother, your friend, the wounded civilian, salute everybody. Today, we'll be talking about the political fight or the political war that is going on in Edo. We, the wounded civilian, we don't preach political party. We don't believe in political party. We believe in the truth. What is right is what we stand for. The reason why I talk about what is happening in Edo State right now, it is because that's my state. That is my state. So whatever is going on in my state concerns me, we the wounded civilian. We also believe that Nigeria is a failed state. We must restructure that country, or we must agitate for separation. But that doesn't mean we should turn blind eye to what is happening in our state. So it's my responsibility to talk about what is going on in my state. We are not like these those 419 criminals pretending they are fighting for freedom, deceiving themselves, saying what is happening in their state is none of their business. Meanwhile, they are still benefiting from the same country or the same zoo or the same forest, whatever name they are calling Nigeria now. Their family still lives there. The people that is donating money for them every month still lives there, deceiving themselves. Me, I don't do that. We are fighting for freedom. We must fight for our freedom in any means necessary. If it is to go into politics, so what matters, you get your freedom. That is what we, the wounded civilian, believe in. In Edo today, the reason why I talk about Edo politics, what is happening in my state, is because of Godfather reason that Oshomole must not have his way. Oshomole cannot have his way. Edo is not legal. We'll continue to tell them Edo can never be Lagos. That is the reason why people like us, we join the rest of our brothers, the reasonable brothers. You know, we still have those who still don't know what they are doing, still supporting Oshomole that are supposed to be cooling in jail, disturbing, distracting Edo State governor. You see, today is about Iyama Omorege, Honorable Omorege, Iyama Ogbedi. You know, he said he don't want to step down for Obaseki. You know, Obaseki just declined from APC to PDP. Well, we will not blame him. He have the right to contest. But the problem we're having with him, why going to court? Why going to court? If you know you are solid on ground, if you know the people loves you, if you know you will win, then go to the field. Why going to court? If you don't want to step down for Obaseki, it's your right not to step down for Obaseki.
It's your right. Nobody have right to force you to step down for Obaseki. Really, Obaseki is APC member. Cannot just come to PDP and they will just give him the ticket like that. What you are doing now, you are proving that you are a man. But why going to court? Why going to court? You have to go to the feed, go and contest. At the primary, be there. If you lose, you lose. But trying to stop Obaseki is the problem we are having with you. Why are we, somehow, we the wounded civilian, somehow supporting Obaseki? Not because Obaseki is too good. And Obaseki is not that bad. But it is because we will not sit back and allow Oshomole to pocket Edo State. We cannot allow Oshomole to be dictating for Edo State people. That's it. Whatever you APC, you PDP, to hell with APC, to hell with PDP. I don't give a shit about APC or PDP. What we care for, because to me, Obaseki is not a saint. Obaseki is part of the APC that rigged that 2016 election, the governorship election in Benin, because I believe it was rigged. That's my own opinion. I don't force my opinion on you. What I believe 2016 governorship election in Edo was rigged in favor of Obaseki. That's to me. And Obaseki have proved to Edo State people that he is not Oshomole's boy. Oshomole helped him so that he can control him. But for these 4 years, Obaseki have proved to Edo State people he cannot be Oshomole's boy. And Obaseki believes in Edo first. The people fighting him, they are not fighting him because he's embezzling Edo State money. Because he is corrupt. They said he's not carrying the party along. Those are the same people that have been bleeding Edo dry. The people that have been in power. So, why we are supporting Obaseki today, or kind of supporting Obaseki, it is not because of it is not because of Obaseki is too good or we believe in political power. It is because of, if you look at, like I said, Obaseki became the governor through fraud. That's to me, my own opinion. But he did not take advantage of, because he is now the governor, begin to steal Edo State money. For that, he have done well. Now, Ize Yamu himself, Oshomole calls him all kinds of names, call him criminal. We have been saying it, everybody knows that. Then, how can you unite with the same man who scandalize your name, who destroy your name in Edo, who finish you up? How can you, because you want power, so desperate, you want the power, you become Oshomole's boy? For that, you can be Edo State governor. To me, that is the reason why people like us can never support Ize Yamu. And Ize Yamu is not coming to do to make a change. Ize Yamu just coming on board to give these Agberus, these people fighting Obaseki, to give them what they want. That's it. He have promised them, if you make me governor, I will give you whatever you want. You can go and be collecting revenue the way you used to do it before. Just help me. I want to be the governor. That is the mission. That is what Ize Yamu is trying to do now. Nobody can deceive us. Nobody can deceive somebody like me. You see, a few days ago, they set Oba market on fire. The best market in the state, if not in the country. The best market. The best. Who built that Oba market? It's the same Lucky Igbinedion who they always say Lucky Igbinedion, the bad governor. The only hospital we have in that state now was built by the same governor Igbinedion, that's Lucky Igbinedion, Stella Obasanjo Hospital. The one Oshomole used billions is for completed building, is for lizard and war geckos. Why am I saying this is this? Every party can produce good and bad people. Oshomole the kind of support we gave to Shomole don't deserve it. By now, Shomole should be giving account the money he collected, this 30 billion for Edo Water Storm project. There is erosion everywhere now. Erosion everywhere. It is rainy season, erosion in Bini. And people are blaming the government. Yes, they have to blame the government. The government have to do something about it, especially the governor. But the people that is attacking the governor now, the same people that is supporting the same Oshomolu collected 30 billion. This 30 billion we are talking about is just a month before leaving office. 30 billion. We warned our Senate not to give him that money. They borrowed that money. It's a debt now those state must pay. 30 billion a month or 2 months after when he was about leaving office, when he collected that money. The same Obaseki supposed to probe Oshomole to say, come and give account of that money. How did you spend that money? Clemagba, he gave the money to Clemagba. The Clemagba is also minister under Buhari now. So, Obaseki did not, ever since Obaseki did not feel it is good for him to probe Oshomole, to call Oshomole for questioning. You see, Obaseki is not that perfect. Obaseki, they make Obaseki governor so to cover Oshomole's house. That's the reason why Oshomole makes Obaseki the governor. So that is the reason why it is all complicating. Obaseki himself is not that bad, because if they can give somebody like Ganduje, whom we saw collecting bribe on national television, if they can give him second term, they can give a governor like Yahaya Bello second term. A governor, a fellow governor like El-Rufai have to come to Kogi to kneel down begging the Kogi people to vote for Yahaya Bello. Even the president's wife, they can give somebody like that second time. Why depriving Obaseki, a performing governor? It doesn't make sense to me. That is the reason why people like us, why we are supporting Obaseki. But we thank God today, they caught, because Iyama took Obaseki to court, tried to stop him from contesting. But this evening, it was on the news that Governor Obaseki, I will read from Legit Nigeria, he said Governor Godwin Obaseki have been cleared to take part in Edo PDP governorship primary. And Edo State High Court have also issued a restraining order to INEC in respect of this decision. The same order was given to PDP ahead of the poll. So, what is going on in Edo State now, nobody understands. One court will say this, the other court will say no, the other court will say yes. It's for you to know this country is messed up. This country is finished. We don't talk about local politics like this, but with the way things are going in Edo, it's our responsibility. It's our responsibility to tell Edo State people not to bother their heart. Leave your heart where it belongs. If you look at Obaseki, it's not that perfect. It's part of this APC gangs. If you look at Oshomole, that is making noise now, they are all the same people. But if you wait, the right person who's supposed to support now is Obaseki. Oshomole is not fighting Obaseki because of Edo people. He's just fighting Obaseki because of those Agberus he used ringing elections. They are complaining. Those criminals in APC complaining that the governor is not favoring them because the governor refused to give them Edo State Treasury, refused to open Edo State Treasury for them to be siphoning Edo State money. For that, they hate Obaseki. And that is the reason why Oshomole himself is fighting Obaseki. So fighting Obaseki because he wants a good thing for Edo people. Is it Ize-Iyamu? Ize-Iyamu call himself a pastor. If you think that they robbed you, that 2016 is supposed to be the winner, supposed to be the governor, you would have stayed in PDP. God can favor you there also. As a pastor, you should have the faith that God can favor you anyway. For you to leave PDP, and come to APC, because you feel Oshiomhole always ring election. Oshiomhole can always make you a governor. We, the Edos, the reasonable Edos, we are going to prove to you, prove to Oshiomhole, prove to Isaiah Yamu, Edo State is not for them. Edo State is not for them. Edo can never be. They can't pocket Edo State. They can't pocket Edo people. And no, this is kind of a revolution. If Obaseki succeed, it is a sign. It will give us. It will open Lagos. These Lagosians open their eyes to wake up from their sleep and slumber, to stand up and fight for their rights. If Obaseki succeed, Oshiomhole political career is gone. Definitely, if Obaseki succeed, they are going to sack. Oshiomhole have been sacked. He's no longer a member of APC. I know he might go to court. He might go to court. They might still retain him. I don't know. But what I'm talking about, if Obaseki succeed, you see, Lagos people will rise up against Tinubu. This Tinubu ambition to become the president in 2023. He is joking. Tinubu is joking. If we can silence Oshiomhole, if we can cut Oshiomhole to his size, you see the Lagos people, the Lagosians, they will rise up and fight Tinubu and liberate themselves from Tinubu. This Tinubu that is controlling them, even in Ondo now. Ondo now is the one who makes you governor, who makes you a senator, makes you whatever. You need just envelope. People bribe him now. If you want any position, he's all and all. He's like God to these people. That's what Oshiomhole wants to be in Edo. But we are going to prove to him, Edo is different from Lagos. You can't treat us the same. What worked for them in Lagos cannot work for us in Edo. It can't. Lagos is foreigners. Those strangers that makes up Lagos. Edo, it is the indigenous people of Edo. You can't treat us the same. We are different people. It will not work in Edo. That is the reason why the Edos, I believe, Obaseki, support Obaseki. Not because of, I don't believe in political party. That is the reason why I said, the same political party, PDP, people might say PDP corrupt. Tell me, these same people now, in PDP, they were in APC today making noise. They were once members of it. Look at Isaiah Yamu left a PDP to APC, from APC to PDP, contested against Obaseki 4 years ago. He took APC to court. The same man now is in APC. So is it not high time you forget about PDP, APC? Forget about PDP, APC. They are the same people. Support the person inside. Don't be deceived. Don't let them deceive you with this APC, PDP nonsense. It is the person. That is the reason why people like us, I'm so disappointed to see this man who I so much respect, Obede Yama, going to court, trying to stop Obaseki. What is his name? Obede Yama. Can you win APC in Edo if PDP give you a ticket? Can you win these APC people? Can't you see the way they are behaving? If you want to be governor, you can decamp to APC. It is the same. I know you have been there. It is not, you are not happy. Somebody who decamped yesterday in your party, they are giving him ticket. But I know that is the reason why, maybe the reason why you are doing what you are doing. So he decamped from APC the other day. He's in your party now. And they are giving him ticket. I know. But again, you cannot defeat these people. Oshiomhole, George, what I care for, really, is for Oshiomhole not to have his way. Because the same Oshiomhole insulted the Aneni. He even accused Aneni that Aneni tried to assassinate him. When I think he had an accident, said he blamed it on Aneni. That Aneni, they are the God, and they were doing this political godfatherism thing. Then people were really doing it. And those people said, no, we don't want godfatherism again. We want man who sit in his palace and be choosing governor telling you will be the social local government chairman, you will be senator. We said we don't want it in Edo. Edo people supported Oshomole to make sure we kick them and any act of power out of Edo. We destroy their political career. How can you now be what you fought against? Edo, even though some people call Nigeria zoo, or sometimes I call Nigeria monkey country because of the way things are going in Nigeria. But that doesn't mean we are not human beings in Edo. Edo cannot tolerate it. Edo cannot take this nonsense that is going on. Oshomole want to be God, to lord over everybody in Edo. Impossible. We will not allow that. That is the reason why people like us, we are even supporting Obaseki. He's the only person for now that can remove these people from power. Obede Yama, you can't. You are not that. You are a popular guy because when you were, is it not already local government? Then you really perform. You did well. You did well. But you know that you can defeat Ize Yamu because they are giving Ize. Although APC have their own problem now. This primary they just conducted some Victor Giadom fraction in APC. They said it is fake, that it will not hold. Even they have set a day aside for their own primary too. APC have their own domestic problem. And you are in court, and you are in court. There is another guy also threatening to go to court, even though if he lose. Look, you guys cannot defeat Oshomole. You are not what we are fighting now. We are fighting Oshomole. We are trying to deliver the state. We are trying to liberate our state from Oshomole. We are trying to liberate our state. There is no need fighting this man. There's no need going to court. You cannot defeat these people. It is only Obaseki that can. I'm not saying Obaseki is too perfect. Obaseki is not that perfect. I'm not saying Obaseki is a saint. But Obaseki is not that bad. Obaseki is better than Oshomole for now. If Obaseki want to become a godfather, political godfather tomorrow, we will fight him too. We will fight him too. I don't give a shit if he's a Edo man, I'm a Edo man. I will fight him too. Edo, no godfatherism. And that's how it will be. No godfatherism, no political godfather in Edo. Let the people decide for themselves. Let the people choose who will govern them. That is what we believe in Edo. That's it. Let the people decide. So my dear Edo people, they just set urban market. Look, I watched a certain video, I will call them some nincompoops, Edo youth, who was videoing the incident. They were laughing. They were laughing. They were laughing. People are crying. People are crying. Market women crying. We are talking about Nigeria here. Where nobody give a shit about anybody. If you are not in government, or you don't have anybody in abroad, or you don't have anybody in Europe, sometimes that they can sustain you. It is not easy in Nigeria. It's not easy in Edo. In Edo, nobody give a shit about anybody. And people are losing their property, losing their goods in the market. They are running a tasketash, crying. Some nincompoops were videoing them laughing, mocking the fire brigade that came, mocking everybody. People are in distress. Your fellow brother, your fellow sister, they are running a tasketash, crying. Their goods, the goods they are selling in the market is burning. Instead of you to try do what you can do to help these people, call, at least sympathize with them. You were videoing them laughing. videoing them. Let me play the video. We're laughing. Because of who you want, do you think that will bring the governor down? Will that bring the governor down? Will that make the governor lose? Sometimes the way we behave, sometimes some people even in Europe today, they think about me. My brother is not in government. My sister is not in government. I have nobody in government. My brother is not honorable, senator, or working under Assembly. Me, the wounded in me that is talking, I don't work for these people. I'm not even willing. I'm not in Nigeria. But I weigh the fight. I weigh what we will gain. Osomole want to be godfather. And this is a governor. I have to choose and say, okay, know that Ize-Iyamu, Osomole, they might be the same. But the best person here for me to support is Obaseki. It's Obaseki. So that Osomole will not have his way. Ize-Iyamu, with all this, with all that Osomole said against you, I don't expect you to still be working to decamp from PDP to APC and still be smiling with somebody who destroy your name, who call you thief, who call you murderer, cultist, because you want power. You have to decamp to APC and be a boy under Osomole. Osomole is now your godfather. For you, that's it. You are gone. If Obaseki can challenge Osomole, he did not say you makes me the governor. No, let me be governor. I can't be the governor and not be governor. I want to be a governor. You can't control me. That is what I love Obaseki for. That is what I love Obaseki for. He stopped Agberu. That is intimidating people. Collecting revenue, collecting money. If you see, I'm not trying to attack Kabaka because I've been quarreling with him, telling him, this is not about Kabaka. But if you watch Kabaka, anytime he's talking about struggle. We struggle for APC. APC that we struggle for. Struggle. You live in paradise. Go to your house. Your house worth 300 million to 400 million. Your own house. You are not a graduate. You got those money from collecting revenue. Revenue in Benin. What about you? Are from Ogbe. You are from Ogbe. I'm from Ogbelaka. That's the center city in Benin. I was born and brought up in Ogbelaka there, and always a city man from there to Europe. You are from Ogbe too. Your Ogbe and my Ogbelaka, which one is more closer than the palace? Because the palace is like the center place. Me from Ogbelaka is more closer than to the palace than you. You people have been working. You worked under Governor Lucky Igbenedion. You worked under Osomole. Must you work under Obaseki? Why can't you wait for 8 years? Me, I have not worked under any government in Edo. I'm here. We still live. All those billions you got from Igbenedion, you guys destroyed Igbenedion with this Agberu revenue you collected from in this same Oba market in Ring Road there. You collected it the same thing, Osomole. 16 years, 8 years of Lucky, 8 years of Osomole, 16 years. At least keep calm now, relax now. So that if you watch these people talking, you will know they are for themselves. They are not for the Edo people. You look at this their EPM. There is one day one man was saying that they need a governor who know them by their name, who will go to your office and call you by your name. What about Edo people? It's about them. They don't give a shit about Edo people. That is the reason why somebody like me, I choose my side. I choose Obaseki's side. I don't choose. Ize-Iyamu is a family friend. During my father's funeral, he was there with us. It's a family friend. Most of my brothers today, they still say they like Ize-Iyamu. It's a family friend. They'll support Ize-Iyamu. If they'll vote for Ize-Iyamu. That's it. Family. Everybody in my family not supposed to vote for the same person. My family, my immediate brothers, sisters, they still tell me, hey, they'll vote for Ize-Iyamu because it's their friend, because they believe in friend. But if you ask them, Ize-Iyamu and Obaseki, which one is the best? They will tell you, well, Obaseki is the best. They know, everybody knows that. They will tell you Obaseki is the best. But you know now, I don't want to, it's my friend. It is normal. But me, because I don't believe in it, I'm not doing what I'm doing for you to like me, for you to give me appointment. I'm not doing what I'm doing because that is the truth. That is what Edo people want. What Edo people interest first. Edo people interest first. Ize Yamu, no way, because Ize Yamu is not the right person. They are bringing Ize Yamu. Now Ize Yamu start promise these people he will give them heaven. Look at the people in Oshomole's camp. Is it Odubu? Odubu was the deputy governor under Oshomole for 8 years. He did not tie one road in Yokoriomo, in Oriomo local government. Eight years under Oshomole as a deputy governor. He did not tie one road in Oriomo when Oshomole make Iyamo, his own village, a paradise. Build universities there. Tell me what the deputy governor under Oshomole for 8 years, what he have done for his own people. They want to be governor. The same deputy governor who was the deputy governor under Oshomole, Odubu, he was the honorable, I think a senator, I don't know, for 8 years under Lucky, PDP, 8 years, 8 years under Lucky. He was the one who built that a certain village, a borehole. He dug borehole for them. Went fake borehole. He went and filled tank with water just to deceive the people. After commissioning, he had to invite the governor to commission a borehole. After a few hours, that's it. Fake borehole. This same man was a senator, a be honorable for 8 years under PDP. When they jumped from the sinking ship, a PDP sinking ship, and joined APC, and then automatically makes him the deputy governor. These guys have been there for years. Senator for 8 years, deputy governor for 8 years. Then you want to be governor? Is it Yamu? Yamu have been the secretary to the state government under Lucky. The same thing under Lucky, under PDP. The same thing under Oshomole. These guys have been in power for years. They have been in power from 1999. It's only Obaseki who joined them 2016. His track record is not that bad. We will not surrender. We will not give Edo to this same group of people. People who jump from PDP to APC and come and be claiming cent. They jump from PDP. Ize Yamu jumped from PDP to APC. He was the secretary to state to Goodluck Ibneji under PDP. He jumped to APC. They made him secretary of state under Oshomole. Then he got greedy. He said he wanted to be governor. Oshomole refused him. He decamped to PDP. They gave him ticket there. He ran against APC. He took APC to court. And now he decamped to. Tell me, Edo people, is that not confusing? Is that not confusing? No. Now they makes Obaseki to decamp now to PDP. The same people. So if you weigh these three people now, Oshomole, Ize Yamu, you will know that the right person was supposed to stand with is Obaseki. The right person here is Obaseki. That is the reason why I am supporting Obaseki. I'm not supporting Obaseki because of the political party. In fact, I hate political party, especially that APC political party. There's nothing good about APC political party. Because I see APC as Buhari political party. I don't like Buhari. I don't like Buhari. That's the reason why I keep telling all these people now that is agitating now. I don't want to mention people like Abatobaze and the rest who shouting PDP, power. They were the same people condemning APC when they were condemning PDP when they were in APC. I told them, I want them there. Every party, all these political parties, they are all the same. Don't kill yourself over this, you PDP, you APC. No, don't kill yourself over the political party. It doesn't, they are all the same. The same people inside, the same Edo people inside, the same Nigerians inside. Don't be deceived. Somebody like Pabi was a senator under PDP. He became a governor under PDP. He decamped to APC and began to say PDP corrupt in that country, Nigeria. So we don't see many things in that country, Nigeria. So let nobody deceive you. Let us support Obaseki. Support Obaseki. I'm not saying you should support PDP. I don't give a shit about PDP. I don't give a shit about APC. Support Obaseki. to say no to godfatherism. Support Obaseki to finish Oshomole political career. Because this man, Oshomole, is nothing but a criminal. It's nothing but bad news. Oshomole is a bad news. If Oshomole can say all these things he said against Obaseki, yeah, if you want to remove, all those things he said against Ize Yamu, if he must remove Obaseki, he could not pick anybody. But the same man, the same Maradona, the same criminal, the same cultist, the man, he said, he almost destroyed, he pours acid on somebody, a manhood. When he was a student of Edo State Unibe, University of Benin there. Buhari was there when he was saying it. The same man are telling you, he went because he wanted to remove Obaseki. So to me, it's for you people to know, for Edos, because I'll be closing this video now. I'll be ending this program now. Support Obaseki. I'm not saying you should support PDP. I know there is no way you support Obaseki without supporting PDP. The political party to me is immaterial. What matters to me is the person. How to kill godfatherism in Edo. How to kill godfatherism in Edo. Look at these people now that is distracting us in Edo. That is disturbing the peace in Edo. Is 3 people or 4. Oshomole, Ize Yam, and Obaseki. Forget about this Obede Yama. Those are the people now that is giving us, distracting us in Edo. Them Sasino Sagi, those are noisemaker. To me, those guys are nothing. If you check these 3 people, the person, the best man here is Obaseki. Obaseki brought sanity to Edo State government. Nobody can dispute that. He brought sanity there. Obaseki brought sanity to Edo State government. And you know what Edo people are doing for him now. The way Edo people all over the world, Edo's in diaspora, how they are supporting him now. Solidarity even we, the wounded civilian, on Sunday, this coming Sunday, we, the people here, the wounded civilian crew here, will be out there, will be showing our solidarity to him. I know he will not fail us. He will not fail Edo people. Edo people can turn against you if you begin to change yourself. If you deviate, if you refuse to fulfill your promise to Edo people. Edo people, they will rise against you too. So, you see how they are showing their solidarity. People are supporting you. Don't fail Edo people. All this good work you have started, finish it. And hand over to somebody from Edo Central. In 2024, it will be 2024. We are supporting Obaseki. We are not supporting the PDP. We are not supporting APC. I know you can support Obaseki without supporting the party is representing. But to me, I am supporting Obaseki, not the party. Let's support Obaseki. Let's destroy godfatherism in Edo. Edo people, let us destroy godfatherism in Edo. We follow the man. We don't follow the political party. We follow the man, not the political party. Who give a shit about the political party? Political party is to deceive you and deceive us, deceive you and me. We follow the person here. Obaseki is the right man now. Obede Yama, you can't uproot. You can't fight these people in APC, or you can fight Oshomole and his lovers in crime. You can fight these people. Use your head. Don't let them use you. They are using you against your own brother. They are using you against your brother. You are trying to kill godfatherism in Edo, and you are here distracting us. Like I said, we know that the governor. The governor is perfect because he's supposed to probe Oshomole. Oshomole is supposed to be in jail for that 30 billion collected. This is those water storm project to solve this erosion problem in Edo. Look today, erosion still everywhere. I expect the governor at least although the governor is doing something about it. It's not like before. It's not like before where people were losing their house. During rainy season, people will pack out of their house. People losing their business, stores closing down. It's not like that. And I know the governor is trying. But at least Probo Shomole for that 30 billion collected 2 months after leaving. He knows he'll be leaving office. Just collected that 30 billion for nothing. You have to come out. People have been writing petition to EFCC to call Oshomole for questioning. Because the governor did not talk about it. That is what I don't like Obaseki for. Did they make you governor? You were trying. You did not probe them. Because you were trying to say, okay, because you make me governor. You wrong those people there. It was now when they feel that, oh, you don't talk, you keep quiet, so they start riding on you before you begin to talk. It was too late. Look, if you succeed, the first thing, Probo Shomole. Because why I'm saying this, there is another governor. I'm not saying this because Oshomole don't speak the same tribe with me. Oshomole is from Aunshi. But at the end of the day, he's still a brother. It's not about tribe. It's not about tribe. It's about the truth. Oshomole always accuse everybody corrupt. Why? His own hands is not clean. It's about the truth. Oshomole in any way agitate for Niger Delta freedom, or agitate for South freedom, or agitate for to restructure that country. He loves the way things are going in that country. Oshomole never in any way, as a politician from the South, defend a South, defend us in the South. He never in any way, whenever they are calling for South meeting, when they are calling for to restructure Nigeria, Oshomole to him, you calling for restructuring, you are stupid. So for that, Oshomole, have problem with Oshomole. He is a powerful man, supposed to use that power, not because of you have the finest palace, the finest palace in Africa. Doesn't mean because you are okay. You were an ordinary tiller. You are not a billionaire. You don't stand for restructuring. You don't stand for something that is good. But any given opportunity, they give you mic. Anywhere you go, PDP corrupt, that man corrupt, the other one corrupt. Shut your mouth. That is what I have against Oshomole. Your first term as a governor, you were quite good. But your second term, you embezzled a lot of money. You use Agberus. You believe in Agberus. You embezzled a lot of money. For that, that's the reason why somebody like me, I will always attack Oshomole. Not because he speak Benin, the other one don't speak. I don't give a shit your language. I stand always for the truth. Oshomole is supposed to be probed. How did you spend that 30 billion you collected 2 months? You know you were living. You went. The same governor Igbenedion, the one that we are accusing, that did not do anything. The only hospital now, Selah Obasanjo Hospital, Edo, we're talking about Edo State now, or Benin City. The only government hospital we are all using now, built by the same Lucky Igbenedion, the one you people call corrupt. It doesn't make sense like that. The only one Oshomole is supposed to build is the one for Lizard and Wogego now. Collected billions of money, 9 billions. They first of all spent 9 billions. And the building collapsed. They have to award on that 30 billion again. Not the 25 billion. They said there's medical equipment that is coming from Europe. You are still waiting for medical equipment after 4 years. So this is not about your tribe. No, it's about the truth. People talk about the roads. Oshomole time. What about the money? The road you are talking about Oshomole time. How much did he spend tying that road? You think we are foolish? Because we don't want to talk. 1 kilometer, use billion. You tie one kilometer for 3 years. Look. Oshomole, you should be careful. The things we were insulting them and Neni now will be happy wherever he is now. You did what can't you use your sense? What you were insulting Neni for? What you are doing now? What we are insulting them Igbenedions, Chief Gabriel Sawari Igbenedion, is what you are doing now. You are the one who said the same governor gave you the money you used to campaign. It is the same governor Obaseki who said you should come to Benin to come and contest. He was the one who rallied around the money you used to campaign for you. You said it on national television. You said all these things people are praising you for now. It is because of Obaseki. Obaseki initiated it. Obaseki helped you do it. You said it yourself. Then what happened now? Because Kabaka is, because them Sasinosage is crying. Those criminals, those Agberus. This is a man, Obaseki. People used to pay 10,000, 6,000 as revenue tax. People that you go to Bini during Oshomole, even in Lucky Benedion time, people that is on, they will be under that hot sun selling tomatoes. They will come and beat them, pay your tax, revenue, pay money. The Oshomole himself, you saw what happened when somebody were trading. They said you should not trade on the road. You say what Oshomole said to that widow, that woman. Now, during the Oshomole and Obas and the Benedion government, Agberu really flourishing in Benin. They made billions of money in Benin, intimidating people. But this man came. He said no more collecting money like that from people that are selling pure water. People that sell tomatoes, sell mango, kids. Can you be beating little kids supposed to be in the school? They are selling something for their family to survive, collecting money from them. Government should be helping these people. This man stop all these things. And you want to remove him for Kabaka to come. It's not fair. This guy, all this money they are collecting, those Agberus are collecting. You think they collect those money and go? They take this money, they'll collect this money and give, they'll collect their own share, give the rest to the state governor. That's what they do. But this man said, I don't care. Edo is rich. I can still work with that kind of money. He stopped all these things. And still, he's doing well. In Benin then, before you buy a house, a plot, before you can buy a plot, you buy a plot from a community. That's the reason why some fools, some idiots, especially these people who don't even know what they are doing, come on social media, begin to lie, begin to tell lies. And these hypo animals, they'll be encouraging these people, although you guys are the same. When you want to buy land in Edo, then even now, community village that sell land, the villagers, the Benogis that come from that village that sell land, not the king. People come on social media begin to lie. It's the community that sell land in Benin. I don't know who sell land in your own. Your business will not mind your business in your miserable 5 states. Look, you guys, those criminals, you are the one attacking my page. You are the one reporting my page. So what I say will not get to people. Don't carry on. Me, I'm here. I will always be here. You think I have other thing, I have other where I can reach people. Do whatever you do. Report page, block my page so that you not reach people. They gave me 2 months. It's not even up to a month now. I have to wait for another a month plus for my page to go out to people. You think I'll be happy? Because I'm telling you the truth. The same page I use to promote you people, the same page I use to promote you people is what you are attacking. It's like you are batting the finger that fed you people. You are people. Don't worry. Me, una go know, say I be the wounded. I not be the wounded for nothing. So in Benin, before you buy land, those boys, community boys will come, pay this, pay that. You will buy, for instance, you buy a land 1 million. They will come, you must pay 200,000 there, 300,000 there. Before you make foundation, you will pay for foundation. You roof your house, you will pay. To the extent if you cook yourself in your house, you will come and pay. The king have to come in. They kill people for it. They kill people for it. People die. You know when money is involved in Nigeria, especially Edo, people are ready to do anything. The king have to come in and lay a curse and say nothing like that again. Let the elderly people, the Enogis in the land. On national television, he lay a curse on it. Some idiot will still come on social media and change the whole story and come and be telling us the king is selling land. How? Everybody in Europe here, it is the community where we build us that we pay for, not the king. Animals. And the help of the governor have to come in and say, we don't do that. You can collect money when you buy a land from the community, the Enogis, the elders in the land. That's it. That is what we call a molu. You do a molu. You don't need to give anybody money. Anybody that collects money from you is illegal. Report the person to the palace, report to the person to the police station. The governor stand and say, yes, that's how it must be. He brought sanity to Edo. You don't go to government house and be looking for money to steal. You want to remove this person and bring Oshomole gang or is there Yamu so that they will continue with Oshomole stop? No, Edo, wake up. No, tell them no way. Obaseki, that's it. For now, I said it before. If the opposition have a better person than Obaseki, we will support that person. When Obaseki was still in PDP, still in APC. Now that Obaseki is in PDP now, if they give him ticket, if they have to give somebody that can defeat these criminals in APC, Oshomole and his partners in crime, Isayamo and his lovers in crime. Let us defeat these people. If we can defeat these people, them Sansino Saige, them Kabaka, silence these people in Benin so that we have peace in Benin. We need peace in Benin. No godfatherism. No godfather. No Tinubu here. To hell with Tinubu. To hell with Tinubu. No Tinubu in Edo. So, my Edo State people, thank everybody. This is where I stand. All those people in America, in Europe, who make noise every day, attacking Obaseki for Oshomole. The same person sometimes who have insulted Oshomole in the past, call Oshomole all sorts of names. Today you change. Why can't you stand straight? Stand for something that is good. Encourage something that is good. Fight a good fight. Stand for the side of the truth sometimes. Every day, you people come online attacking Obaseki. Okay, Obaseki, they kick Obaseki out. If they kick Obaseki out, don't you have some more sense? Oshomole will be like Tinubu. Don't you know that Oshomole will be Godfather? Were you not alive when we were fighting God? Them and any that we don't need Godfather in Edo. We were singing with it every day. Don't you know if these people succeed, Oshomole will come and brag. They kick him out. Oshomole did not even wait for Obaseki to wait for their primary. He's the one who organized those this screening committee and give them instruction. Kick this man out. That's what they did. How can you be attacking Obaseki go, Obaseki die, Obaseki? I don't know. Don't you know if Obaseki go? If opposition go, Oshomole is like, I know you are supporting this kind of for what you will eat. But sometimes you are in Europe or maybe you are in America. No, this is not what you will eat. Because you're already here. You can survive here. Stand for the ways of the truth. Stand for the way of the truth. If Obaseki succeed, then Edo succeed in killing Godfatherism. That's what I know here. And the man we are supporting now, nobody's accusing him of corruption. They come out and tell us, is Obaseki stealing money? Nothing like that. As a man, the man that speaks the same tribe with me, since we are fighting for freedom in Nigeria and we are afraid to call for nationwide protest or call for revolution so that they will not kill us, then join politics. Then let Obaseki do well. Can be president tomorrow. Come and help his own people. Can be vice president tomorrow. Come and help his own people. Nigeria corrupt. Nigeria is a zoo. People still die to be governor. People still die to be senator. The person, that stupid boy in Adikanu that is crying, Nigeria zoo, his own sister is still a police in the zoo, Nigeria. His father died. Instead of burying the father in Europe so that they will not bury the father in the zoo, he brought the corpse to the zoo. So forget all this. They are not deceive me. So don't spoil Obaseki's name so that it can be somebody tomorrow. Don't scatter his name. Don't let it be because nobody. How can you bring somebody like this Yam that have a EFCC corruption charges on his neck? Is it Oshomole the same thing with Oshomole? With somebody that have no EFCC is not looking for him, no corruption charges against him, the certificate you guys are making noise for, yeah, it has been rectified. So why are you spoiling somebody like that? You can't spoil his name. I said, don't mind, it's my responsibility to defend my Edo person. I'm not tribalistic here. So they can be somebody greater than it can be Senate president tomorrow. It's a plus one to us in Edo. So he can agitate for this Gele seaport we are fighting for in Edo. If you want, since we are afraid to call for revolution, since we are afraid to go out there and fight and say we are ready to die for our freedom, then play politics. You can't be crying on social media here. What is happening in Nigeria don't concern you. Zoo. The same time, people would the people you call Zoo, they will vote for their governor. They will go vote for president. You are there because of the money people are paying you every month, deceiving your people. Look, we have to use our sense. And this goes to we are having conference tomorrow. Some of my Edo people are saying it is a revolution. We don't discuss politics. How can you fight for freedom without discussing politics? How can you fight for freedom without discussing politics? Mandela have his own political party before they sentenced him to life imprisonment. Use your sense. So this is where I'll be closing this program today. I thank everybody, my Edo people. May God bless every one of you. Let's stand for the ways of the truth. Know where I stand. I support Obaseki for Oshomole to fail, for Oshomole not to be godfather in Edo. And Obaseki is not that bad. So another day, don't say the wounded. You were supporting this PDP. You are a PDP man. No. My own is clear. I support Obaseki for Oshomole not to have his way. Because it was we fought alongside. I know what the stress, the money I spent 2007 to make sure Oshomole became the governor. I know songs I wrote to agitate to fight for Oshomole. So nobody come and tell me. We fought for Oshomole. Every Edo man fought for Oshomole. We will be tired of PDP then. So that's it. Thanks everybody. May God bless everybody. Thank you and God bless.